So it's 2026 and we are not eating all our money away this year. So today on the menu, we got Cava at the crib. First things first, I always start off by washing and trimming the excess fat off the chicken thighs. Next, I'm gonna take this spicy Harissa sauce right here, put it in my blender and throw in some extra veggies. Now while we have that sauce blending up, we can go ahead and start seasoning our chicken thighs as well. Everything that you see right here on the screen is everything that I use for the chicken thighs. So take a screenshot right here. All right, now while we have that sauce all nice and blended, we can go ahead and put it on top of our chicken thighs and just give it a good toss. You want to put this in some Ziploc bags and let them rest for overnight, preferably. All right, so it's the next day. We got our chicken thighs already nice and marinated. So I'm gonna just grab an aluminum pan, set the oven on 425, and we're gonna put these chicken thighs in the oven for about a good hour. Now while that chicken is in the oven cooking, we can go ahead and start making our yellow rice. Now it's time to make our cucumber salad. So I'll cut up some red onions and make them really nice and thin. Do the same with the cucumbers, cut them up, diced tomatoes as well. Now I'm about to just cut this lemon in half and hit the salad with some of that zest. You can season this salad with some nice cracked pepper, cut up some parsley, and just top it off with some olive oil. We're gonna get that salad a nice turn. Now for the sauce, started off with 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt, hit it with a teaspoon of avocado mayo, used the rest of that lemon to add some zest, threw in some parsley, cracked some pepper, a pinch of salt, and hit it with a little cayenne pepper just to give it a little flavor. Next, we're gonna just start on our corn and black beans. I mean, guys, just throw it in the pot and just stay on it. We have our chicken already, and look at it. It got a nice color. Of course, the camera gotta eat first. And this chicken was nice and tender, you know, just like I like it. The flavor on it, especially with that spicy harissa. And I just went ahead and diced it up, so that way you can just have this chicken already ready for the rest of the week. Pan fried a little pita bread, you know what I mean? And I also threw some hummus on top as well. You can get the hummus from like Kroger or any store. And yeah, man, that's what we got. Cava at the crib. Threw some feta cheese on top, and yeah, it was good though. I liked it.